I don't really eat chain restaurants anymore because the food just doesn't even taste the same. Like I know it because I've been to probably 20 states. Like then you got to worry about the wait. Ain't nobody want to work either. So no wait staff. The customer service is different. So I don't really go to chain restaurants. I try to find a little mom and pop shops, preferably, or I really seek out black owned businesses. That's a big thing for the fraternity and a big thing for me as well because I am a black owned business. So if I come to your city, I'm looking for the food spot that's owned by grandma with the I learned that, if food don't taste the same, prices going up, customer service is trash, then why am I going to eat unhealthy on top of that? Like I might as well just stay at the crib, cook something that I know I could cook, I know what's healthy, I know I made with good ingredients and all that stuff and again increase my health and keep a little bit of money in my pocket.
Man, you gotta look for the pots too. Make sure they black on the bottom.
Right.
That's how you know you're dealing with a good cook when you go somewhere too.
Yeah, bro. Man.
Yeah, my sister said if they don't have them bat wings flapping, I'm not doing no,
Man,
I'm not doing nothing right
I don't know
there.
soul food spot, bro. Like that thing ain't
Just if the
ain't
bat
never
wings
like
ain't
turn me
flapping.
there.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm
You look for
not.
that grease on that apron, man, and some house shoes.
Yeah.
Bro,
Hey, if
I
they
went
ain't
to a
Yeah.
got them sandals on
Yeah,
Yeah.
I went to a spot in
on the
Nashville.
barbecue
Like,
pit.
so
Yeah.
if you haven't been to Nashville, you need to go. But it's a spot called Silver Sands, black owned soul food spot. And I like Nashville for many reasons. It's like a Myrtle Beach or like a Pigeon Forge type environment. But the museum there is amazing, and they got a lot of food spots. And it's a touristy town. But Silver Sands, man, is a soul food joint. And when they had Mama and them in the lobby breaking down collard greens. I was like, oh yeah, I know this is about to be on, bro. They snapping and pulling. I was like, oh yeah, this is about to be amazing. So I go there every time because it's just good food, yeah, and I'm gonna find food no matter where I go.
Man, you might have everybody get an Airbnb now in Nashville. Now
Yeah,
go
I'm about to
listen to
say,
this podcast.
Yeah,
yeah,
the
you
natives
about to
be there.
take them to you gonna
The natives be
take
there
them to
next year,
heaven.
so I'm definitely gonna be there. But I mean, but the National Museum of African American Music is there, so that was one of the greatest museums I've ever been to in my life. Yeah, it's just all music from slavery all the way to now. Like me and my kids got lost in there because they're all musicians. So we could have been at museum 12 hours. They got music booth and beat makers and dancing and all that. It was amazing. So yeah, it's again that's a part of fatherhood is like I think we went to Nashville on like a Thursday or, stayed to Saturday. We just, hey, this is what we gonna do. I heard about this museum. We're gonna go up here and have a good time because that may be some time where I have money. So I could be super dad, this month as opposed to Christmas, the world has put all this pressure on us on Christmas. If you gotta buy $1,000 Xbox and some Jordans and all this, you're gonna spend $3,000 and then 6 days later your rent due.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. No, I'm not putting that pressure on myself as a single dad. I look, this ain't it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get what we can do and we're gonna do what we can. But guess what? That June trip we take or whatever, or that random weekend for spring break that we go down to somewhere else, that's gonna be Christmas because y'all gonna really love this. And we have some amazing experiences just on random days that we gotta take the pressure off of being a black man, knowing that, hey man, Thanksgiving just popped off, Christmas come, and then rent come right after that, and then you in the Valentine's Day if you got a loved one. That's like pocket gauntlet right there. Them 3 months.